Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language on Quora, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, then go to your profile, which is at the top left corner, then click on the settings, and then you should see the languages. Click on that, and now you can see a list, and this list is not so long, but I hope that you will find your preferred language. Let's see Italiano. And now if you want to switch to Italian, click on the Aguinghi Italiano or something like that, and then your Quora will be in Italian. If you do not want that, click on the go back to English, and then you're all set. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.